I've sailed on dozens of cruise ships over the years, and the Norwegian Jewel continues to surprise me every time I step aboard. This Jewel-class vessel launched in 2005 but has undergone significant renovations that keep it feeling fresh and modern. After spending a week exploring every corner of this ship, I'm excited to share what makes the Norwegian Jewel stand out in today's competitive cruise market. Norwegian Cruise Line has always been known for breaking traditional cruise rules, and the Jewel exemplifies this perfectly. From the moment you walk through the atrium, you'll notice the ship's vibrant energy and relaxed atmosphere. The Jewel accommodates about 2,400 guests, making it large enough to offer plenty of amenities while still maintaining that intimate cruise experience many travelers prefer. Let me start with the accommodations, because where you sleep can make or break your cruise experience. The Norwegian Jewel offers an impressive range of stateroom options that cater to every budget and preference. The interior staterooms are surprisingly spacious for their category, featuring modern decor and clever storage solutions that maximize the limited space. The ocean view staterooms provide those coveted sea views through large portholes or picture windows. I particularly appreciate how Norwegian has designed these rooms with comfortable seating areas where you can actually enjoy watching the ocean go by. The lighting is warm and inviting, creating a cozy retreat after busy days exploring ports or enjoying onboard activities. Balcony staterooms are where the Norwegian Jewel really shines. These rooms feature private balconies with comfortable outdoor furniture, perfect for morning coffee or evening cocktails while watching the sunset. The sliding glass doors open wide to create a seamless indoor-outdoor living space. The bathrooms in these categories are well appointed with good water pressure and adequate storage for toiletries. The suite categories take luxury to another level entirely. The garden villas are particularly impressive, featuring private courtyards, butler service, and spacious living areas that rival high-end hotel suites. The owner's suites offer wraparound balconies and separate living areas, while the penthouse suites provide elevated luxury with premium amenities and priority services throughout your cruise. Family accommodations deserve special mention, as the Norwegian Jewel offers connecting staterooms and family suites that can comfortably house larger groups. These rooms often include sofa beds and additional storage, making them practical choices for families traveling with children or teenagers. Now let's talk about food, because dining is often the highlight of any cruise experience. The Norwegian Jewel offers an incredible variety of dining options that go far beyond the typical cruise ship buffet. The main dining rooms serve classic cruise fare with rotating menus that include international dishes and American favorites prepared with surprising attention to quality. Cagney Steakhouse stands out as one of the ship's premium dining venues. The steaks are properly aged and expertly prepared, rivaling what you'd find at high-end steakhouses on land. The atmosphere is upscale but not stuffy, with attentive service that makes every meal feel special. The wine list is extensive and reasonably priced for a cruise ship. La Cucina Italian restaurant transports you straight to Italy with authentic pasta dishes, wood-fired pizzas, and classic Italian appetizers. The portions are generous and the flavors are remarkably authentic for a ship-based restaurant. The tiramisu alone is worth the specialty dining fee. Teppanyaki offers an interactive dining experience where skilled chefs prepare your meal right at your table. The entertainment value is high and the food quality exceeds expectations. The shrimp and steak combinations are particularly popular, and the fried rice is seasoned perfectly. The Garden Cafe serves as the ship's main buffet, offering an impressive selection throughout the day. Breakfast includes made-to-order omelets, fresh fruit, and surprisingly good pastries. Lunch and dinner feature international stations with everything from Asian stir-fries to Mexican favorites. The quality is consistently good, though it can get crowded during peak hours. Oshihan's Neighborhood Bar and Grill operates 24 hours a day, serving comfort food like burgers, wings, and loaded nachos. It's the perfect spot for late-night cravings or casual meals while watching sports on the multiple televisions. The atmosphere is relaxed and friendly, making it a popular gathering spot throughout the cruise. The bars and lounges throughout the ship offer creative cocktails and an impressive selection of wines and beers. The Bliss Ultra Lounge features craft cocktails with premium spirits, while the Spinnaker Lounge offers a more casual atmosphere with live music most evenings. The wine bar provides an extensive selection by the glass, perfect for trying different varieties throughout your cruise. The pool areas on the Norwegian Jewel are designed to maximize relaxation and fun for all ages. The main pool deck features a large swimming pool surrounded by plenty of comfortable lounge chairs and shaded seating areas. The pool itself is heated and maintained at a comfortable temperature, making swimming enjoyable even during cooler weather or evening hours. The adults-only Spice H2O area provides a more sophisticated pool experience with a separate pool, premium lounge chairs, and dedicated bar service. This area tends to be quieter and more relaxed, perfect for adults seeking a peaceful retreat. The music is kept at reasonable volumes, and the atmosphere encourages relaxation rather than party-style activities. Multiple hot tubs are strategically placed around the pool decks, offering perfect spots to unwind while enjoying ocean views. The water temperature is consistently maintained, and the jets provide excellent therapeutic benefits after active days exploring ports. During evening hours, these hot tubs become particularly popular social gathering spots. The sun decks provide ample space for sunbathing, with both cushioned loungers and traditional deck chairs available. The ship's design ensures that sunseekers can find comfortable spots throughout most of the day, regardless of the ship's direction. Towel service is efficient, and the staff regularly cleans and maintains all seating areas. When it comes to onboard activities, the Norwegian Jewel offers an impressive array of options that cater to different interests and energy levels. The fitness center is well equipped with modern cardio machines, free weights, and strength training equipment. The ocean views from the treadmills and elliptical machines make working out surprisingly enjoyable. The rock climbing wall provides an exciting challenge for adventurous guests. Multiple routes accommodate different skill levels, from beginners to experienced climbers. Safety equipment is provided, and trained staff members offer instruction and assistance. The wall is typically less crowded during port days, making it easier to get multiple climbs in. The sports deck features a basketball court that doubles as a volleyball court, providing space for organized games and casual play. Equipment is available for checkout, and the staff occasionally organizes tournaments and competitions. The deck also includes shuffleboard courts, a classic cruise ship activity that's surprisingly addictive once you start playing. The jogging track circles the ship on an upper deck, providing excellent ocean views during your workout. The track is well maintained and clearly marked with distance indicators. Early morning and evening hours tend to be less crowded, offering peaceful running conditions with stunning sunrise or sunset views. Entertainment shows are held in the Stardust Theater, featuring everything from Broadway-style productions to comedy acts and live music performances. The theater is well designed with good sightlines from most seats, and the sound system delivers clear audio throughout the venue. Productions are typically high quality, with talented performers and impressive costumes and sets. The spa and wellness facilities aboard the Norwegian Jewel provide a comprehensive range of services designed to help guests relax and rejuvenate during their cruise. The Mandara Spa offers a full menu of treatments including massages, facials, body wraps, and beauty services. The treatment rooms are peaceful and well-appointed, creating a truly relaxing environment. The thermal suite provides additional wellness amenities including steam rooms, saunas, and heated tile loungers. This area requires a separate fee but offers a tranquil escape from the busier parts of the ship. The facilities are well maintained and provide excellent therapeutic benefits, particularly after active shore excursions. Fitness classes are offered throughout the week, including yoga, pilates, and aerobic sessions. The instructors are knowledgeable and accommodate different fitness levels within each class. The schedule includes both indoor and outdoor classes, taking advantage of the ship's beautiful deck spaces when weather permits. The salon services include haircuts, styling, manicures, and pedicures performed by experienced professionals. The equipment is modern and well-maintained, and the staff stays current with popular trends and techniques. Prices are reasonable for shipboard services, and the convenience of onboard beauty treatments is particularly appreciated during formal night preparations. For families traveling with children, the Norwegian Jewel offers excellent facilities and programs designed to keep young guests entertained and engaged. The Kids Crew program provides age-appropriate activities for children from toddlers through preteens. The facilities are colorful and inviting, with plenty of space for various activities and games. The teen program operates from a dedicated lounge area with video games, comfortable seating, and age-appropriate activities. Teen counselors organize everything from dance parties to movie nights, giving teenagers opportunities to socialize with peers while giving parents some adult time. The program strikes a good balance between supervision and independence. Family-friendly activities are scheduled throughout each day, including pool games, scavenger hunts, and educational programs. The staff does an excellent job of engaging children while ensuring activities remain safe and well-supervised. Parents consistently praise the quality and enthusiasm of the youth staff members. The ship also offers babysitting services for younger children, allowing parents to enjoy adult dining experiences or shore excursions. The nursery facilities are clean and well-equipped, and the staff members are experienced in childcare. Reservations are recommended, particularly during sea days when demand is highest. The Norwegian Jewel visits some truly spectacular destinations, and the shore excursion options enhance each port experience significantly. Caribbean itineraries typically include stops at private islands, historic cities, and tropical paradises. Each destination offers unique cultural experiences, from local markets to historical sites and natural wonders. The ship's shore excursion desk provides detailed information about each port and helps guests select activities that match their interests and mobility levels. Options range from relaxing beach days to adventurous zipline tours and cultural immersion experiences. The staff is knowledgeable about each destination and can provide valuable insights about local customs and highlights. Private island stops are particular highlights, offering pristine beaches, water sports equipment, and beachside dining options. These controlled environments provide safe, family-friendly experiences with the convenience of ship-organized logistics. The beaches are typically less crowded than public alternatives, and the facilities are well-maintained. Cultural excursions provide opportunities to explore local history, architecture, and traditions. These tours are typically well-organized with knowledgeable local guides who share fascinating insights about their communities. Transportation is comfortable and reliable, and the timing allows for thorough exploration without feeling rushed. Adventure excursions cater to more active travelers with options like snorkeling, hiking, and water sports. Equipment is typically provided and maintained to high safety standards. These excursions often access locations that would be difficult to reach independently, providing unique experiences and photo opportunities. After experiencing the Norwegian Jewel firsthand, I can provide a balanced assessment of its strengths and areas where it might fall short of some travelers' expectations. The ship excels in providing a relaxed, freestyle cruising experience that appeals to a wide range of travelers. The variety of dining options is impressive, and the food quality generally exceeds typical cruise ship standards. The entertainment offerings are solid, though not groundbreaking compared to newer ships in the fleet. The shows are well-produced and enjoyable, but don't expect the high-tech spectacles found on some of the newest vessels. The live music throughout the ship is consistently good, creating a pleasant atmosphere in various venues. Service levels are generally excellent, with staff members who are friendly, helpful, and attentive to guest needs. The housekeeping staff keeps staterooms immaculate, and dining service is efficient even during busy periods. The guest services team handles requests and concerns professionally and promptly. The ship shows its age in some areas, particularly in the stateroom bathrooms and some public spaces. While renovations have updated many areas, some fixtures and finishes reflect the ship's 2005 construction date. However, these issues are minor and don't significantly impact the overall cruise experience. The freestyle cruising concept works well on the Norwegian Jewel, allowing guests to dine when and where they prefer without rigid schedules or dress codes. This flexibility is particularly appreciated by families and travelers who prefer a more relaxed vacation atmosphere. What truly sets the Norwegian Jewel apart from its competitors is the ship's commitment to the freestyle cruising philosophy that Norwegian Cruise Line pioneered. Unlike traditional cruise lines with rigid dining times and formal dress codes, the Jewel encourages guests to cruise on their own terms. This approach creates a more relaxed, resort-like atmosphere that appeals to modern travelers. The ship's size strikes an ideal balance between amenities and intimacy. While larger ships offer more activities and dining options, the Norwegian Jewel provides a more personal experience where you can actually get to know fellow passengers and crew members. The ship never feels overcrowded, even at capacity, thanks to thoughtful design and space allocation. The specialty dining program on the Norwegian Jewel rivals what you'd find on much newer ships. The variety and quality of restaurants provide excellent value, especially when purchased as part of a dining package. This culinary focus sets the ship apart from competitors that may have more activities but less impressive food programs. The stateroom variety is another standout feature, with options that cater to every budget and preference. The garden villas in particular offer a unique luxury experience that's difficult to find on other ships. These accommodations provide resort-style amenities with the convenience of cruise ship services. The Norwegian Jewel offers limited conference and meeting facilities, making it less suitable for large corporate events compared to some other ships in the fleet. However, the ship can accommodate smaller business groups and provides basic audiovisual equipment for presentations. The relaxed atmosphere can actually benefit team-building activities and informal business gatherings. The ship's smaller meeting spaces work well for family reunions, celebration groups, and intimate corporate retreats. The staff can arrange special dining experiences and coordinate group activities that take advantage of the ship's various venues and amenities. Guest experience highlights from the Norwegian Jewel consistently center around the exceptional service and attention to detail provided by the crew. Many passengers return specifically because of relationships built with staff members who remember their preferences and go above and beyond to ensure memorable experiences. The housekeeping staff in particular receives consistent praise for creative towel animals and personalized touches that make staterooms feel special. The dining staff in specialty restaurants often remember guests' preferences from previous visits, creating a sense of familiarity and personal service that's rare in the cruise industry. Many guests report being surprised by complimentary desserts or special preparations that weren't requested but perfectly matched their tastes. Shore excursion experiences frequently exceed expectations, with local guides who provide insider knowledge and access to hidden gems not found in typical tourist areas. The ship's excursion staff works closely with local operators to ensure high-quality experiences that showcase the best of each destination. The Freestyle cruising concept consistently receives positive feedback from guests who appreciate the flexibility to create their own schedules and experiences. Families particularly value the ability to accommodate different preferences and energy levels within their group without being constrained by rigid cruise traditions. Evening entertainment often features impromptu performances and guest participation opportunities that create memorable moments and new friendships among passengers. The relaxed atmosphere encourages social interaction and spontaneous fun that many guests cite as highlights of their cruise experience. The Norwegian Jewel represents excellent value in today's cruise market, offering a mature, refined experience that focuses on comfort, quality dining, and personalized service rather than flashy attractions and overwhelming activity schedules. It's a ship that rewards travelers who appreciate good food, comfortable accommodations, and the freedom to cruise at their own pace.